Setting the Z offset in the OKK, which is the G54 work offset on the machine. First, go to the machine. The instructions for this video are located underneath the Stork logo, located on the machine. First, you'll need the dial indicator located on the bench behind the machine. Take the dial indicator and attach it to the head of the machine, not the spindle, using the magnet base. Make sure that the dial indicator is located over the part, and then make sure the 1, 2, 3 block is located on the table of the machine as well. Go to the control panel and select the position button, POS. Then make sure you're looking at all coordinates. We're most interested in the machine coordinates. Next, select handle. This will activate the hand wheel of the machine. There's 3 settings: a 1,000th per click, a 10,000th per click, and a 100th per click, as well as the XYZ axis. Select the Z axis and make the machine travel down, making sure the dial indicator reads just after 0. Then we're going to go to the 1/10,000th per click setting on the hand wheel and jog the machine back up until the dial indicator reads 0. This will compensate for any backlash in the machine. Once you have done this, go back to the machine and note the Z machine coordinate and write that number on the worksheet provided under the work measurement. Once this is complete, you're going to use the hand wheel again to move the machine around until the dial indicator goes over the 1, 2, 3 block. Again, repeat the procedure of making the dial go past 0, switching the tolerance of the hand wheel to a 1/10,000th per click, and jog the machine back up to 0. Take the number in the machine Z coordinate value and write that on the worksheet as well. Then subtract these 2 numbers. This will be your work offset, or your G54 offset. Go back to the machine and select offset settings. Once in offset settings, highlight the Z value under the G54. To do this, you'll need to use the arrow key to highlight that number. Next, input the number that you calculated using your calculator as a double check to make sure this number is correct. Once you've typed that number in, you'll see it at the bottom of the screen. That is not input until you actually select the input button on the control panel, which will put that number into the G54 work offset value. You are now complete.